Hi, I'm Dr. James Repko at Bayshore Podiatry Center. I'm here today to talk to you about Lunula nail therapy. So if you have nails that you're afraid to share with other people, show in public, or wear flip-flops, they may be thick and yellow, or they're just unsightly to you, we have a new option for you. The Lunula Nail Laser system is a newer laser system for nail fungus treatment. We take a different approach at Bayshore Podiatry. So first thing that we do is we actually get a culture of the nail to make sure that you're an appropriate candidate for Lunula. This lets us identify whether the cause of your nail, what we call dystrophy or abnormal appearance, is truly fungal or not. If it is fungal, we have a variety of options, including the Lunula Nail Laser. The reason that this is great is because you come in once a week for 4 weeks, and you do some maintenance therapy with some topical medication, and we also give you a supplement to help the nail grow out faster and heal more quickly. Lunula's special, and the reason that we decided to do it or bring it to our practice is because it actually works. Where if you've tried nail laser therapy before and it hasn't worked, I'm not surprised. Historically, I saw 40 to 50% efficacy, which is the same as topical treatments. Now, there's a convenience factor there, but for the price of it, I couldn't justify that. And that's where Lunula comes into our practice. We're happy to be offering it now. We're seeing amazing results with it in rapid resolution of nail fungus. So if you're tired of living with unsightly nails or embarrassed by your nails, give us a call. We're happy to help you and talk about what your options are.